You're basically eating a candy bar, and depending on how many you drink a day, two. I will never forget that one day, and I don't understand diabetes all that well, but I remember working with this young lady, and she was younger than me, but I don't know about you guys, but when you carry more weight, this is when I was over 230 pounds. Um, she was younger than me, but I looked younger than her, if that makes sense. Anyways, she was diabetic, and I remember when she was, paying attention to her timer and stuff. And please let me know in the comments if you understand what I mean by this, because I didn't understand it till now. When she was saying how she needed to eat for her blood sugar and stuff, but she was drinking. She got like 2 bottles of Mountain Dew, and she had what is it? Those little brownie bite things from the vending machine. She had like 2, 3 bags of those, and I was like, I thought when you are a diabetic, you can't eat that much sugar, and that's all she was eating. So it just made me realize, even back then, that maybe it's a contributing factor to a lot of these issues that we're having. So that's why I try to talk to my wellness warriors, those that are you guys that are watching. You want to change your life and you want better wellness in any aspect, whether that's mental, physical, spiritual, or anything. And our choices really do matter. So yes, liquid calories are so important in our daily intake. Those calories count too. And also just the consistency versus the intensity part of it. I want to be consistent, meaning I'm going to be mindful and not drink Arizona tea or brisk tea every day. Can I have it once a month? Sure. Consistency is so important in our wellness journey. You'll be surprised if you go lock in because for those that don't know, I'm doing a Unbig Our Back challenge, and inbox me if you're interested in joining, and is included, or if you just want to do the stepping challenge aspect for free. I'm doing an Unbig Our Back Step It Up challenge, where we're doing, I think it's 60 days of 10K steps. Now, are you going to do 60 days in a row of 10K steps? No. But if you do like the first 3 or 4 days consistent, it gives you a rest day, and then you can save up your rest days for when you really need it. So if you're interested in stepping up with me, let me know, because I am working on losing 10K steps a day. Someone asked me before, one of my friends, he said, aren't you done losing weight? You lost 60 already. But if I gain 10 or gain 20 or gain 30 back, it's never ending, right? Or, well, now I lost the weight, but I want to tone. So it's kind of a forever thing with me, because you always want to every day make a conscious decision to just keep going, period. Because I promise you, if you stop the walking, if you stop going to the gym consistently, if you stop eating right, it's all gonna come right back. I'm sorry to tell y'all, but this is a forever thing. And I am so glad that I have my wellness warriors here, that we hold each other accountable. I won a challenge a few months ago, and I want to do this challenge, the Unbig Our Back challenge, to hold all of us accountable. Because I want to lose, some more weight too. Because my arms aren't the way I want them to be. My back isn't as tight as I want it to be. You know what I mean? My thighs are still a little jiggly. Okay.